All right, so special thanks to this company for sending me their Sleepbeauty headphones and chin strap. So this is a 3-in-1 that says it will reduce your double chin. It's sleep headphones, so you can hear music while you're sleeping, and it's a chin strap. The side shows you rechargeable battery, hands-free calling, built-in microphone, and stereo music. Just Sleepbeauty at the top. Washable material, soft and comfortable, wireless, absorb sweat. Nothing on the bottom. And the back just has company information and a customer service email. So let's open this on up. We're not going to connect it to a phone or anything, just an unboxing to show you what you're getting. Ooh. So right on top, a USB-C cable. I'm glad to see a lot of these companies with smaller devices like this not cutting the corner to use micro USB and go ahead and switching to USB-C. And then, oh, very soft. And user's manual. So nothing else in the box. So we can take a look at the user's manual first. Wow, that's oh dang. There we go. So this user's manual tells you everything that you'd probably need to know. It has Bluetooth 5.2, functions, your power control information, how to connect it to Bluetooth, your warnings, what you'll actually see, which is BT, Sleepbeauty, charger and battery, your notes, and more. Oh, and then even more information back here of, like how to answer phone calls, your model numbers of everything, and then that's just FCC. So these are the actual Sleepbeauty chin strap headphones. So it looks like some pretty strong Velcro right there. And there's your little USB-C port. So this just kind of tucks away into here, out of the way when you're sleeping. And here is your plus, minus, and play and stop. And basically though, we got a speaker here and a speaker here, and then everything else here. So you'd kind of get these figured out on your ears, and then this would probably Velcro at the top or bottom and would go on your head while you slept to supposedly reduce your double chin and let you listen to music or waves, sounds, whatever you listen to when you're going to bed. Very unique item. I don't think there's cables in here, but they're like near the bottom, so I don't think you'd be able to feel any of that when you're wearing this item. But definitely a very unique and different item. Again, thanks to the company for sending this one out to me. Definitely an interesting and different product. So 2 thumbs up to them. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.